Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams. Hey, if you've ever wondered how you can make more money with affiliate marketing in 2021, even if you have zero money to get started with, be sure to watch today's video through until the very end, because I'm about to share with you this simple 4-step process to make money with affiliate marketing in 2021 and beyond, and how to do it with zero money needed. With that said, if this is your first video, my name is Misha Wilson, and over the course of the last few years, I've done well over $15 million in total sales, and I've helped plenty of people get to the 6-figure mark in their own personal journey leveraging affiliate marketing. So what I'm going to be sharing with you here today works in the real world. It's not just theoretical. Take action on this. There's no reason you can't create success. With that said, as always, if you get value, let me know what your biggest takeaway is in the comments section below. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell icon notification button so that you're notified when I do more videos just like this. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so what we're going to talk about here today are the 4 steps for you to take if you want to make money with affiliate marketing in 2021 without needing any money out of pocket. So the first step you need to do in order to make money with affiliate marketing, this is whether you have a budget or not, is very simply to choose the right market. All right, so when we're going into our affiliate marketing business and we're selecting a product, the first thing we need to do is make sure that the product we select is in a market that's going to be profitable, so that when we do the work in a kind of environment that's conducive of profits for our business. All right, so instead of having you do a bunch of market research and look at a bunch of different markets and look at products and demand and sales, etc., I'm just going to kind of give you the cheat sheet here. So the big 3 markets that are always the most valuable and the most profitable are health, wealth, and relationships. All right, so if you stick to health, wealth, and relationships, and then find a subset category of one of those markets. So as an example, health could be building muscle for men. That would be a subset of the health market. It could be, losing weight for men or losing weight for women. That's a subset of a market. So choose, once again, a product within one of those 3 markets. So that's step 1. The next step is that we have to go ahead and choose a product that's profitable. And we want to choose a product that gives us the best chance of going ahead and creating success in our business. Now, how we do this is we go over to a site called clickbank.com, and I'll actually post another video at the very end of this video that links out to a previous video where I walked you through this step by step. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to clickbank.com. You're going to search for your actual market. So let's say we're selling a product, let's say in the health and wellness market. We're going to search for muscle building for men, right? Let's say that's what we're selling. And then what we want to do is we want to select a product, and we want to select a product by gravity score. All right. Now, what gravity score is going to show us is essentially how well that product is doing for a bunch of other affiliates. So it's going to show us which products are converting best and making the most money for the most other people. And what that allows us to do is essentially make sure that we're selecting a product that, not only one person is having success with this thing who's like a total uber genius marketer, but a bunch of people are having success. Therefore, if we go into that market, we do things a little bit better than everyone else that's having success, well, we should, make more money than those people. Now, obviously, results not guaranteed. Take all of what I'm saying with an income disclosure attached. But with that said, these are the general principles, right? So step 1, select a profitable market. Step 2, select a product that's most likely to convert. All right. Now, step 3 comes down to getting traffic or visitors, website visitors, to the sales page of that product. And the best way to do this for free in 2021, very simply, comes from creating content just like this video, but not just any type of content. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to set up a YouTube channel, and I want you to set up a Facebook fan page. So YouTube channel and Facebook fan page. And then what you need to do is within your market, you need to identify the 3 or 4 biggest problems that people face in that market. So as an example, if it were the health and wellness, industry, they would face the problem of not knowing which exercises to do. They would face the problem of not knowing what kind of food to eat. They would face the problem of not knowing what supplements to take, right? Those are all various problems in that marketplace. If, let's say, we were in the dating niche, right? They would face the problem of, let's say we're targeting a guy, right? The guy wouldn't know how to approach a girl when he's out, right? The guy wouldn't know how to open a conversation, have a conversation with the girl. The guy wouldn't know how to ask the girl out on a date. The guy wouldn't know how to go on a date. Those are all problems that if we help solve for our core target market, gets our target market closer to their goal of having a girlfriend or of being in really good shape, right? So what we want to do is we want to take the time to identify what those actual problems are. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create pieces of content just like this video that I'm shooting right now. And we're going to put those videos and these various pieces of content out onto the internet. All right, we're going to create YouTube videos just like this one. We're going to go ahead and create, Facebook videos just like this one and post it on Facebook. We're going to write, little Facebook posts and post them on Facebook. And then what we're going to do is on Facebook, we're going to share our various posts in related groups. All right, so you can go on Facebook and you can search, muscle building groups or make money online groups or, dating and relationship advice groups. You can join those groups. Then you're going to take your valuable pieces of content that you've created and you're going to post those valuable pieces of content in those various groups. And then everyone who comments on those various posts, you're going to follow up with. All right, and the best way to do this when you don't have any money is just, straight up using your time and your sweat equity. And whenever someone comments on that post and says, hey, great, great message, I love the content, great, super valuable information, you're gonna say, hey, I saw your comment, thank you so much. If you're struggling to build more muscle, I have a solution that might help you. Would you like to check it out? Question mark with little Facebook direct message. A certain percentage of people will say yes. A certain percentage of people will say no. The people that say yes, guess what? Send them the link to your affiliate offer, and a certain percentage of those people will end up buying your product or service. All right. Now, the thing to understand is that this is a long-term play. So this isn't something you're going to start tomorrow and immediately be making sales. You need to start the process. You need to consistently post 3 to 5 pieces of content each and every single week like clockwork. Consistently share them in all the various groups. And over the course of a period of time, you will start to have more and more people commenting every single day, more and more people asking for more information every single day, and sooner or later, more and more people buying your affiliate products each and every single day, allowing you to make money with affiliate marketing, even if you have no money to get started with. So once again, quick recap: choose the right market, choose the right product, find the biggest problems in that market that people are facing that when you help solve will get them closer to their goals, create content on those actual topics, post them in various Facebook groups, post the Facebook posts and the YouTube videos in those groups, and then follow up with each and every single person that comments on those videos to allow you to make sales even if you have no money down. With that said, I hope you got a ton of value out of today's video. If you did, don't forget to go ahead and let me know what your biggest takeaway was in the comments section below. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell icon notification button. And until next time, over and out.